Good day, welcome to BECE 2018 Basic Science Past Question, Question 10. BECE 2018 Basic Science Past Question, Question 10. An electric motor is a device that converts electrical energy into dash. An electric motor is a device that converts electrical energy into dash. A. Chemical energy, B. Light energy, C. Magnetic, and D. Mechanical energy. Now, what is energy? Energy simply means the ability to do work. That is the ability to do work. This is energy. Now this we are asked that an electric motor will convert electrical energy into dash. Like we know, an electrical motor uses electric energy or uses electricity. It uses electricity to power the coil in it, to power the magnetic coil in it, the magnetic coil, thereby causing this coil to rotate. It causes the coil to rotate. Now this rotation is a form of energy. This rotation is a form of energy. Now we have to know the form of energy which rotation falls into, and rotation falls into what? Mechanical energy. It's a mechanical energy, because an electric motor will use electricity. When electricity is connected to this electric motor, it will power the coil, the magnetic coil in this electric motor, and then this will cause the coil to rotate. Now rotation is a form of energy, and this energy is mechanical energy. A says chemical energy. Chemical energy is energy stored in substances like fuel, food, which is not an answer. B here says light energy, which is not an answer. C says magnetic, which is not an answer. And this is what? Mechanical, which is an answer, because an electric motor will convert electric energy, the electricity, into what? Mechanical energy, which is the rotation of the coil, motion. So our answer is D, mechanical energy. Thank you very much. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel for more videos.